Hey guys, it's Brayden and Quinn from the Buddy and Duke channel, and we are here about to go on a UTV. Is that what it's called?
Yep, please.
A UTV. It looks like that. But right now, we're just watching horses eat some hay. There's one.
Oh yeah, it looks like the milky chocolate. It's Oreo. He's Oreo. They must have named him Oreo. Oreo milkshake.
Is that what they drink?
No, or they drink Oreo milkshake.
Whoa! That kind of scared me.
This guy's like milkshake chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookie milkshake.
They eat sideways.
Their teeth are big.
They eat sideways.
Their teeth are big.
I can't see him.
Hi, it's Brayden and Quinn from the Buddy and Duke channel, and we are now taking a break, but we're about to get back in the UTV to get supposed to drive some more through the rainforest, and they said there was a cougar. Wait, no, not a cougar. But yeah, isn't it a cougar? It's cougar and some wild pigs in the forest, and I really want to see.
And there's the rainforest.
I don't think that's the way.
Pretty too. Pretty high.
We're at this huge river with a lot of rocks, and it is so hot out here, but we can't get in. So hot.
It's so hot, but we
to
just wanted. But since we're in four-wheelers and there's a lot of mud, they let us stop here because there's so much mud and we can wash ourselves off at this little tiny. Can I wash myself off? Can I wash my legs, mommy?
No.